In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date on Google Calendar. If you need to move an event to a different day, Google Calendar makes it very quick. One of the easiest ways to do it is by using drag and drop directly from your calendar view. This is especially helpful when you want to make a fast schedule change without opening extra menus or editing every event detail manually. To begin, make sure you're looking at your Google Calendar in a view where you can clearly see your events on the calendar grid. This could be a day, week, or similar calendar layout where the event appears as a block that you can move. The key here is that you need to be able to see both the event you want to change and the new date you want to move it to. Next, find the event you want to reschedule. Once you've located it, click and hold the event. Don't just click and release, because that may open the event details instead. You want to press and hold so you can move it. While holding the event, drag it across the calendar to the new date. As you move it, keep an eye on where it's being placed on the grid. This helps make sure you're dropping it on the correct day. If your calendar view also shows times, be aware that dragging can affect both the date and the time, so place it carefully if timing matters. When the event is positioned over the new date you want, release your mouse to drop it into place. Google Calendar will then update the event to that new date. In most cases, the change happens immediately, so you can confirm it simply by checking that the event now appears on the correct day. If you don't see the event move as expected, take a second to make sure you dropped it in the right spot. A closer calendar view can make this easier, especially if your schedule is full. Also, try dragging slowly if the event is small or if several events are close together. This drag and drop method is ideal for quick changes because it saves time and keeps the process simple. Instead of opening the event and manually changing the date, you can adjust it directly from the calendar itself in just a few seconds. And that's how to change the date on Google Calendar using drag and drop.